My name is Specialist Burke Egan. I'm a 13 Juliet, 8th ATAS operator. For whenever we occupy to the field, the guns get where they need to be, and then the FTC we actually in place. There's certain steps that we have to go through to make sure that we're able to talk with battalion and be able to talk to all of our guns and make sure that everything that needs to be done communication-wise is set up. In the field artillery or a heavy field artillery battalion, you're gonna have paladins. A Sherman is an actual tank. It can shoot and move at the same time. Like it's actually able to move while it's shooting. A paladin cannot do that. It has a stationary for it to shoot. Then you have the ones that hold all the ammo. They're called cats, and basically like a resupply chain for the guns. And then you have the 1068s, which is what I work out of. Basically a fire direction center, the base where all the data is stored, and then everything's passed down and all the info's given out. For the field artillery as a whole, we all have different jobs when it comes to actually completing our mission. But for the FTC perspective, we have the box operator, which is what I am, and then you have a driver. The driver is responsible for whenever we're in place, getting on top and make sure we get our queen up, which is basically like our long range antenna where we're able to talk to everybody. And then there's another person inside our vehicle who is responsible for setting up the front mount, which is basically so we can talk to all our guns. We have our chief, he's there to supervise. Our FDO, which is our officer, he's there for all safety purposes. And then you have a Centaur's operator, which is basically like a box operator. So you can double check everything, make sure there's no faults. And so whenever you do shoot, there's no misfires or you're shooting out of the box or anything. I actually came in as an E1 or a fuzzy, as we call it, which is the lowest ranking private that you can come in. I know for me personally, I got waivers to the next rank. You get a waiver through good PT, being a good soldier, you know, being where you need to be when you're told to be. I got a waiver to PFC and I got a waiver to specialist. But usually if you don't get those waivers, you just gotta wait until you hit a certain time mark for the promotions. I think PFC is a year and then specialist is when you're in for 2 years. And I know for me right now in my career, I'm actually getting ready to go to BLC. It's the basic leadership course. It's a course that promotable specialists have to go to in order to obtain the rank of sergeant.